today we are gonna make somewhat like a physical auto clicker, you would say. Okay, so what you will need is like an old mouse. It has this casing. It has like this casing. I think you can find a lot of these. Okay, so when you have the motherboard of the mouse, all you have to do is like find the two joints that press the right click button or the left click button according to your case. In my case, it's the two on the right side of the motherboard. So yeah, and you just gotta solder them. Focus. Okay, so after that you need to have an Arduino, 2K resistor, and I'll put its a transistor, and I'll put its name in the on this part of the screen. Okay, so when you have these parts, all you have to do is wire them in the schematic on the screen, and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, now I'm back. Oh, so this is how I wired them. If you're asking how do I like figure out the solders to like click the button, just like get a piece of wire and start touching them together, touching like a pair of solders together, and you should be fine. Don't worry, nothing is gonna fry. This like logic gate 5, logic level 5 volt something. So yeah, after that you'll have to upload the code I have in the description onto the Arduino, and you're basically done. Now let's go see how it performs. So now I have my CPS counter here. Okay, so 4.6 CPS, and that's how I normally click. Okay, now because I'm like standing, that's like hard. Okay, now that the auto clicker is activated, as you can see, the clicks per second counter is like going up. Okay, 25 CPS. Now I stop the clicker, and as you can see, it doesn't click. That's 24.9 CPS. Okay, I think I have to test it.